Well, on this Wednesday for the morning hours, it's going to feel pretty warm. We have temperatures in the upper 40s and lower 50s across much of the area, but that's kind of a misnomer because while it's feeling warm right now, these are going to be the warmest the temperatures are going to be all day. You see this line of showers that just moved through earlier this morning? That's the cold front. So the cold front now is well off to the south and to the east. So now we're going to start to see northerly and northwest winds pick up, especially later this morning. And when it does, it's going to keep temperatures pretty steady throughout the day, if not falling, especially later during the afternoon hours. So those wind gusts right now are going to be around 20 miles per hour. But as we get later into this morning, especially starting about 9 a.m. through about noon, that's going to really start to pick up, and it'll stay pretty strong through about sunset. Gusts here anywhere between 30 to 35 miles per hour. Even just shortly after sunset, the winds are still going to stay pretty strong out of the north, gusts up to 30. But then finally, as we head overnight, you can see 10 o'clock, those winds start to subside. Then after midnight, they'll be very light. And for the day tomorrow, winds will be pretty light, only about 5 to 10 miles per hour. But with those winds, again, you see those temperatures pretty similar to what you just saw. High temperatures in the mid to upper 40s northwest Arkansas, maybe a 50 in Fayetteville, low to mid 50s in the River Valley. Could see a mist or a drizzle this morning, but any accumulated rainfall is not expected. Clouds will decrease during the afternoon, but that sun's not going to help with that north wind staying pretty strong. Tonight, a chilly overnight, upper teens in northwest Arkansas. Low to mid 20s in the River Valley. Winds will be diminishing. We'll have mostly clear skies. Those wind chills for tomorrow morning will probably be roughly this upper teens and low 20s because winds will be lighter. But for tomorrow, highs about the same. Mid to upper 40s in northwest Arkansas, upper 40s and low 50s in the River Valley. We will see more sunshine, and winds are much lighter tomorrow, only about 5 to 10. So a quieter day overall for tomorrow. As we head into the end of the week, we're going to see another cold front move in on Friday. That's going to push down our temperatures yet again, as well as bring strong winds and maybe a few spotty chances or a couple of spotty chances of precip. So here's Friday morning. You can see these winds out of the northwest. That's that cold front moving in on Friday. And with it, when it does move through, could see a spotty shower. Not going to mean much. It's going to be similar to today where a little bit of a drizzle or mist is possible, but nothing really that's going to accumulate. As we head into Friday night into early Saturday, notice that white off to the northeast there in Missouri. We could see a flake, a very light flurry on Saturday. Anything to accumulate, that's not expected because look at how sparse this is and how quickly it dissolves as it gets closer to us. So if you're expecting an actual accumulating snowfall, you're going to have to look elsewhere because it's just not expected here in the region. What we are expecting is cold air. Come Saturday morning after that Friday cold front moves through, wind chills in the teens in northwest Arkansas, lower 20s in the River Valley. Then Sunday morning, some single digits in northwest Arkansas, low to mid teens in the River Valley. So it's shaping up to be a very chilly weekend for us ahead. So to recap here, we're seeing those temperatures in the upper 40s and low 50s. Pretty chilly for us tomorrow. And then for Saturday, those temperatures really drop into the upper 30s and low 40s. And then we stay pretty cold as we head through the rest of the early next week. We'll see highs anywhere between the low to mid 40s in northwest Arkansas. In the River Valley, we'll be staying in the 40s for much of the weekend into early next week. So this is the coldest time of the year on average, and it's certainly going to play up to it as we head through really today and really over the next 7 days.